Hello, welcome. This is your candlestick tutorial that happens on the ground. What's nice is we can also do a candlestick with the pole. I'll show you both versions. So the pole candlestick and the non-pole candlestick. So let's work on the candlestick when it's on the pole first, and then we'll take it off of the pole. So I'm next to my pole, and I like to have the pole kind of at the middle of my waist. So I'm here, and this inside arm is gonna press into the pole, and my other hand's gonna press into the floor. What's so great about having the pole is that you can use the pole for a little bit of support if you'd like to help get your hips up. So the goal is to put your weight into your shoulder blades and your upper back. So think about relaxing your neck and using your shoulder blades to distribute the weight when you lift your legs up. So from here, pull the knees in tight into a tiny little ball, press into your hands, and get your hips so they're over your shoulders a little bit, and then send your legs to the sky, and the hand that's on the floor can come up underneath your hip bone or pressing right at the hip bone. So you can press on the pole, squeeze your legs together, relax your neck, and then to come back down, pull your knees right back in, hand to the floor, roll down one vertebra at a time. So like I said, you can use the pole to help you. So if it's a little easier to put a foot on to get your body upside down or your hips up, that's all right. And you can practice with one leg, the other leg. You can use the pole to help you come back down. Beautiful. Now to do it without the pole, that just means that we're gonna bring our elbows in and use our hands to press right at the top of the hips or the top of the hip bones to hold our hips up. So take a little space from you in the pole. I like to do it with a little bit of momentum. So if you round your spine and keep your abs tight, then you can roll back without using a ton of energy. And then you'll put your elbows down, hands right at the hips, and press hands into lower back and top of the hips. Relax your neck. Remember, you can do passe candlestick. You could also do some wavy legs and some circles, some diamonds, and to roll back down, hands down, tuck back in, and roll your spine one vertebra at a time. Good. I hope this tutorial helped you. Post in the group or let me know if you have any questions. Bye.